Let's take a look at how to replace a rubric in an assignment. Please note that replacing a rubric in an assignment must be done prior to assigning it to students. From the My Assignments page, click on the assignment. Then click Edit. Scroll down to the Rubric section of the assignment and then click Explore Rubrics. The Rubric Explorer will now appear. Use the drop-down menus on the left to filter rubrics according to your specific needs. You can filter by language, grade level, genre, and even the grading scale. If you've added your grade level and state and account details, the Rubric Explorer will automatically have your grade level band selected on the left, and you will see state-specific rubrics appear near the top. Additionally, any rubrics that you've created and saved as well as district rubrics will appear at the top of the Rubric Explorer. Once you've located a rubric that you want to use, click on it to view the full details. From here, click on Use Rubric. Then confirm that you want to replace the existing rubric. You should now see the new rubric and your assignment is ready to be assigned to your students.